Got another truck in here today. This is another big build I've been working on for a few months. You only see what's put on camera, but you don't see the 3 or 4 months before, getting everything in and closing the deal with the customer and all. But this is a 2023 Ford F-250 Platinum, getting the 8-inch Stryker lift, fully upgraded with a cradle and traction bars in the rear. It's going to be powder coated gloss white with polished overlays, and there's going to be a little bit of brown that I believe matches the interior of the truck. This truck's getting a custom set of 28x14 JTXs. The floating caps that you'll see here in a few minutes are very special. It's one of their Phantom series wheels and polished. This one's definitely going to turn out very nice.
Gotta start raining. Gotta start raining. Love it.
All right, let's check this thing out. 2023, actually this might be a 2024, hold on. I should know this, right? This is a, oh, this is a 24. Okay, sorry. Caribou interior in the Platinum. I really like it. More of a black interior kind of person usually, but you know what? The black seats are boring, right? Look at these screens. This one's gonna be crazy. Lift kit is partially on the truck now. We ran into some issues with the fuel tank that we put on the truck with the center cradle on the Stryker lift, but we're going to work through that soon, and hopefully we'll get the wheels on it today. putting up the finishing touches on this one. 2024 F-250 Platinum. Got the 8-inch Stryker lift kit, custom powder coated Star White 2 from Prismatic Powders. Went with the polished overlays on the Stryker kit. This one got custom engraving. This is my customer's name. Get the K on the bottom of the control arms. Center cradle has his name in it. Rear traction bar has a K for his last name. Topped it off with some JTX wheels, 28x14 with 38/16/50 28 Fury tires. Got some custom center caps. I'll show you what those look like on the wheel. This is JTX's new Phantom Series wheel where the lug nuts are completely covered up. Since it's Super Duty Day, I'll show you this F-450 that's coming through. This is a pretty quick install for us. It's a small 3.5-inch lift kit with this is 26-inch KG1 Tridents, powder coated in all black, and it's going to be on some 37-inch Fury tires. So check it out. Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching.
I don't think I can. If you're scratching about it. I need all hands on deck, buddy. I need all hands on deck.